Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is lesson 92 of the JavaScript algorithms and data structures course on freecodecamp.org, and the title of this lesson is manipulating complex objects. Alright. Okay, so it says that sometimes you may want to store data in a flexible data structure. A JavaScript object is one way to handle flexible data because they allow for combinations of string, numbers, booleans, arrays, functions. I think I've mentioned something like this before. So objects are so dynamic. So here's an example of a complex data structure. So we could see this is an array. All right. You can see the square brackets. Then inside it we have an object. You can see the curly brackets. Then inside our object, we have various items. We have a property here, a string with a string value, another property with another string value. Then we have a property here with a number value. It's also another property with an array value. See, and inside the array we have three elements that are all strings. We also have a property with a boolean value. So many things can be stored here. So this is an array which contains one object. Okay, I already explained all this. If you want to add more album records, okay, so this is like an array of album records. And if you want to add more album records, you can do this by adding records to the top level array. I mentioned that this was an array, and currently it has just one item, which is our object here. So you could add as many objects, as many more objects as possible here. Okay, you can do this by adding record to the top level array. Objects hold data in a property which has a key value format. So in the example above, we have the artist and then its value, which is a property that has a key of artist and a value of Daft Punk. JavaScript object notation or JSON is a related data interchange format used to store data. All right. So this is a JavaScript object notation. It's a JSON value. Okay, so it says note that you will need to place a comma after every object in the array unless it is the last object. So just like a normal array, you need to separate every item in your array with commas. So the simple challenge we have here is to add a new album to the my music array. Add artist and title strings, release year, number, and a format array of strings. So it's basically the same thing we have here. So, but they need also add a second one. So I'll just like to copy and paste, so save some time. So add a new album. I don't know. Do I know any artists title? Uh, I don't want to take so much time here. Let me just type anything. Song. What was the title of their album? I think there was an album called oh my goodness, I can't remember. Somewhere around 2000 and something. What was the name? I will call upon your name. In Oceans. Is it Oceans? I think it's Oceans. Wow. Let's just stop here because I don't know what else to write. Okay, let's try to run the tests. And are we good? Are we good? Yes, we are. So it's a very simple challenge. Let me just go back. We are just asked to add a second object to our array. All right. So I hope you weren't confused. I hope it was easy to understand. I just had to copy the first one, then change a few values. All right. So this is what an array. This is an array of objects of two objects, and then our object is also has a lot of properties inside of it. It's um it's an album object. So we have artist, title, release year, format, and other stuff. All right, so that'll be all for this lesson. See you in my next lesson. Bye.